Seagull Island, a secret jewel off Maharashtra's Konkan coast, slumbers beneath the Arabian Sea, concealed from sight for most of the day. Only during the fleeting whispers of low tide does it awaken, revealing its shores for a mere 30 minutes, before vanishing once more into the ocean's embrace. Nestled near Devbag Beach in Sindhudurg, this hidden gem, fondly known as Mini Thailand, beckons nature lovers and bird watchers alike. Wrapped in untouched splendor, it awakens with the rhythmic waves and the graceful dance of seagulls. A journey by boat from Madhvam unveils its fleeting wonder, but only those who time their voyage well may witness its rare and enchanting embrace. Seagull Island, India's most elusive marvels, rises from depths of the Arabian Sea for just half an hour each day. Tide gently recedes, fleeting stretch of golden sand unveils itself brief yet breathtaking spectacle. Named after countless seagulls that grace its shores, this hidden sanctuary is paradise for bird watchers, where terns and kingfishers add to the island's avian symphony. For those arrive the perfect moment, nature offers a rare and mesmerizing glimpse into ever-changing canvas. Travelers can reach Madhvam by road or via the scenic Konkan Railway, with Kudal serving as the nearest station. From Madhvam, a boat ride leads to Devbag Beach, where local fishermen offer passage to the island for a fee of 500 to 800 Indian rupees. For those journeying from Mumbai, the island lies approximately 42.5 kilometers away, with Nhava Sheva as the nearest port. The closest air gateway is Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, from where the adventure to this vanishing wonder begins. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, subscribe and press bell icon to get notifications of more such videos.